Hello, we're back. Yet another How To Bloke. It's Sunday again. Always is Sunday on this channel. How many times have I said that? Right. Today we're going to do something a bit interesting. We're going to do a little bit of a film fest this afternoon. Right. We need a dip and some crisps or something, tortilla chips. So I thought I'd make some tahini. Sorry, no, hummus. Thank you, hummus. So what you need is, you have to do this in a blender. You haven't got one of these or something like that, then forget it. Food processor, forget it, you ain't gonna make it. So what you need, right, so put that away. You're gonna need some garlic of some sort, frozen, fresh or frozen. You're gonna need a tin of chickpeas, like that. How big is this, 800 grams or something? Yeah. 800 grams, right. You're gonna need some olive oil. Don't use ordinary oil for cooking, for frying, olive oil, right? You're going to use a lemon, or this is a lemon. This is from my lemon tree, look at that. Homegrown lemon, that is. We just used a slice yesterday. So you're going to use a bit of that, well, all of it really. You're going to use some tahini paste. Now the problem with this is that I haven't got much left in there. Normally you need a little bit more in that, about 2 tablespoons, right? Here's a tablespoon. 2 of them, I've only got like 1 in there, so you know, I'm pushing my luck really, but I think it'll be alright, just about. You're going to need a little bit of salt. You're going to need one of these things to get the lemon juice out, or you could have one of them. Yeah, you could, but I'd probably use that. Right, so let's get cracking. So what we're going to do is we're going to add. Now it's important to put the juice of these chickpeas in as well, otherwise it gets a bit too dry. So we're going to go in with that. Make sure that the bottom of the blender's on properly. So we're going to go in with that, right? So it's a whole tin of chickpeas. And now we're going to go in with some tahini. Now tahini is made of sesame seeds, ground up sesame seeds, plus whatever else they put in the pot.
This one is pure, isn't it?
Yeah, you can get ones that are like kind of like different. Have a look on the if you're fussy about what you put in your body, have a look about what is in the tahini before you buy it, because you might be quite surprised. Anyway, this tahini paste it gives it what you need. Right, we're going to cut now so we can get the rest of this tahini paste out of the pot. Right, we've got the last of the tahini out. Look, see, gone. There it is, gone. So we're going to get rid of that. So we're going to go in with some garlic. How much garlic are you going to put in it? It's got to taste of garlic some a little bit, you know. You're going to say, oh no, I don't like garlic, I'm not putting it in. Well, don't make hummus in, don't make it. So I've got in there, look, there's a bag. Fresh frozen, here, fresh frozen garlic. There's about 2 cloves in there, so I'm going to put all of that in. If you don't have fresh frozen garlic, then put fresh stuff. But 2 cloves, just start with that, otherwise it's going to be too much. It might be too much and you might have ruined it. So, I'm putting a little bit on before, and I know what will ruin it. And garlic is one of the things that will ruin it, because once it's in there you can't take it out really. So, right, the garlic's gone in. Now a little bit of salt in there, a bit of chefy salt. Look, I'll show you. Look, yeah, a little bit of chefy salt. Not too much, a little bit. Right. So you need some sort of bowl to put it in as well. This is one, the Spanish one here, hand painted. I think it says on there. Hand painted, made in Spain, whatever. Right. And what we're going to do is I'm going to grind this lemon up, lemon juice up, and I'll come right back. Right. I've done the lemon, so we're going to go in with some of this lemon juice. The juice of most half a lemon, whole lemon in there, right? So I'll knock that in there. So get rid of all the pith, take it all for pith, like that. I haven't got a lisp. Take the pith off.
Stop there. No more pith jokes, please.
It's the pith, P-I-T-H, not what you think it is with your dirty mind.
No, it's just don't do any jokes.
Okay, so let's take that pith off. So there we are. You probably need a bit more lemon than that, but you know, hey ho, we'll give it a go. That's what they say, I think.
You can always get some more from the tree.
It's a bit difficult if you live in a flat, but if you've got a balcony on a flat, you can grow a lemon tree easy. Right, so Here we go, one of these, right, to go, we start with, right? One. So we'll see if this will blitz, it will do. I have full confidence in it. Right, so here we go, over here. I've got some pancakes going on here, by the way, just to interrupt you. I've got some pancakes here, and I'll leave a description in the pop-up banner above here. These are banana, what do they call them? Banana, what do I call them?
Oats.
Yeah, banana and oats, that's what I call them. Yeah, banana and oats pancakes, are really good. They're for goûter. Right, let's knock on with this thing. Where's the lid? Right, so put the lid on, otherwise it's going to go everywhere. So. Alright, what happens is, if it gets stuck like that, you can't keep going with it too much. You can, but it will knock the motor out, get hot. So you can put some water in there. You can put a little bit of water in there, a little bit of hot water maybe. Oh, it doesn't matter what water is like that, just a little drizzle, just to keep it moving. You don't want to be like a soup, you know. Don't do this when the thing's working. Yeah, you'll be a bit of a muppet if you do. Right. Well, that sounds better. Right. Let's have a look at this. Looks about right. Ah, yeah, it's good. That didn't take long, did it? But make sure that there's all the ingredients are blended, otherwise it's that's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what it looks like and what it tastes like are two completely different things. That's got all the texture that you need. Well, it could be a little bit thicker maybe, but I think it's about right. But, so you've got to try it. You've got to try it. Now, what you can adjust are a few things. But you can't adjust the tahini because I haven't got any more. I haven't got any more tahini, so we're stuck. So it needs more tahini, you forget it, you know. But it still tastes alright, so we'll have a sample. Now, tahini is alright. I think it needs, oh, come over here, taster, you taste this, please. Tell me what you think.
She's the hummus expert.
It needs more salt and lemon.
Yeah, I think I agree with that. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. This one needs a bit more salt and lemon, and I totally agree with that. So there we are. That's a simple thing, isn't it? It doesn't take long. You know, this video didn't take long, so that's how long it takes you to knock it up. Now, well, what can go with this? Okay, right. So let me show you a couple of things. These are just ordinary tortilla chips. You can have, oh, I don't know, pieces of any sort of flatbread you can think of. Pita breads, you know, toasted in the oven or in the toaster or whatever you want. Anything you can really, like this is carrot, anything you can dip in there or dip in there because that's where it's going to go, and eat it. You know, different veg. The choice is yours. You'll put in whatever you like. Not chips. Oh, it's defeating the healthy object. You know, this is quite healthy. Anyway, I've done enough today. I'm going to sit down and watch some Netflix now in front of the fire because it's Sunday. Anyway, I've got some, let me see, cooking that way. I've got quick tips here, I've got DIY here, and if you want to subscribe, then do so. Until next time.